Hi, welcome to the We Are Researching YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to change language on Instagram app step by step. First, go to Instagram app on your phone. Tap on the profile icon in the lower right corner. Tap on the icon with 3 lines in the upper right. Then tap on the settings option. Tap on account option. Tap on language option. Here you can see different languages. You can find which language you want to choose by scrolling down and tapping on it. Thus, the process of changing language on Instagram has been completed. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want videos like this to come, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment and click the bell for new videos.